Hello everyone, it's Rob from RoomAquatics.com, and I'm here to show you the latest accessory for Aqua Blast, the ultimate underwater punching bag. And I came up with a tethering system for the bag to allow you to control the movement of the bag. Because with Aqua Blast, if you punch or kick this bag, it's just going to keep drifting in the direction that it's been kicked. And that causes the bag to just kind of drift uncontrollably out of your reach. And so the way to control this is actually create a tethering system. So I got this great idea from Chris LaCour from Jenny Lynn Fitness up in New York, and he suggested I use something like a saxophone harness to tether up the bag. And so what I did is I came up with my own little harness, which fits up on the shoulder and simply slips over your head. It's just like this. You put it over your head and tighten down the straps. Okay. Fits up pretty quick. There's a little D-link up here. Now what I've been working on are the different types of tethers. So the tethers that I'm working on are a 36-inch, a 32, and a 28-inch types of tether. And the reason I'm starting to work on that is to figure out the best optimal length of the tether cord. Because if you want a high-intensity type of exercise, a shorter tether is the best. But you want to be able to plant your feet well enough so that you can actually kick the bag, and the bag is in the proper position as it approaches you. Okay, so I've come up with the different types of tethers. There's a 36 inch is a little long, but if you use the shortest one, you get a much higher intensity workout. Now the way you hook this thing up is it's got a loop on one end, it's got a snap link on the other end. Through the tether through the handle, and just tighten this down and hook it up to your harness, just like that. And if you need to, you can tighten this down, get it adjusted to just the way you want it. When you're working with Aqua Blast, the tether is actually out of your way because you're working at your shoulder armpits level with your up to your neck, and as you can see that the tether just floats on the surface. If it dips below, it'll just rise back up to the surface and be out of the way while you're working with it. So if you punch, it's completely out of your way. If you kick it, it springs back to you, and so you can get a good intensity workout. Now the shorter the length of the cord, the faster the bag is going to return to you. So you're going to get a much better workout with the bag when it's on a shorter leash, if you will. Now if you're doing group training, this is ideal because this will keep the bag within your own designated area. So you could have 5, 10, 20 people using a bag at the same time, and the bags aren't going to go flying all over the pool and getting in other people's way. So it allows you to have a very controlled access to Aqua Blast. Now, when you're working with Aqua Blast, like I said, you're up to your neck in the water. You can punch, punch, punch. And the latex tubing is super stretchy. So when you hit it and kick it, it springs back for more action. So you can hit it endlessly without worrying about getting your hands or your legs tangled up in the cord. And that super stretchy latex makes it a lot of fun because the bag charges back at you for more action. In addition to the kicking and punching, even with the bag attached to the tether, you can still do all the lifting and pulling exercises. So you can use the handles for curls, you can do two-handed lifts, you can use the handles that are on the bottom of the bag to swing the bag side to side. You can still do all your lifting exercises with your legs. Okay, so for more information about Aqua Blast, check out my website, RoomAquatics.com, and check out Aqua Blast, the ultimate underwater punching bag.